Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will continue the chapter matter and our next heading is liquid. You know that liquid, the particles are close together in liquids but not as much close as the solid. Okay? Their particles are loosely packed and there is less intermolecular force than solid. Okay? Now you know the properties of liquid. Students, a liquid don't have a fixed shape because the position of its particles are not fixed due to comparatively less strong forces of attraction between them. A liquid takes the shape of its container in which it kept because the particles of liquids can slide over one another easily, and a liquid has a fixed volume because at the given temperature the spaces between its particles are fixed. A liquid cannot be compressed much because the particles are still quite close together and have very small spaces between them. Now, a liquid has comparatively high density because its particles are still quite close together, and a liquid don't fill its container completely because its particles here in liquid, its particles are held fairly strongly by the interparticle force and hence cannot leave the body of liquid to fill the whole container. And the liquid generally flows easily because its particles are able to slide over one another due to slightly weaker interparticle force of attraction. Next thing is here, students, next one is gases. You know, in gases the particles are much farther apart from one another compared to liquids and solids. The spaces between the particles of gas are very large. The force of attraction between the particles of gas is negligible because there is too much difference, and so particles of gas are free to move in any direction. Now, students, here the position of particles of gas as well as the spaces between the particles of gas are not fixed. The particles of a gas have the maximum moment, or you can say that it have maximum kinetic energy. Due to this, the gases have the most disordered arrangement of particles and they are free to move in any direction. Thus, a gas exerts a pressure on walls of its container. If a gas is heated, the particles of gas start moving faster and faster. Now, we will explain the properties of gases, students. You know, like solid and liquid, gas have also their unique properties. A gas does not have a fixed volume because the space between its particles are not fixed. Since the particles of gas are free to move anywhere, it takes the shape and volume of its container, and a gas can be compressed easily because its particles are far apart and there are larger space between them, which can be reduced by compression. And a gas has a very low density because the particles are very far apart from one another. A gas, it fills the container completely. This gas, it can fill the container completely because due to higher kinetic energy and negligible force of attraction. The particles of gas are moving with high speed in all directions, and a gas flows easily because particles are completely free to move. So now on the basis of this para, you have find the properties of gases. Now scientists, this is also important to know that the scientists have discovered two more states of the matter. These two states don't exist in nature and conditions on the earth. The names of these states of matter is plasma state and Bose-Einstein condensate state. It is very important to learn. So plasma state has highly charged particles possessing extremely high kinetic energy. This causes this having highly kinetic energy, and this state of matter can be seen in stars, which are superheated balls of plasma, and artificial or man-made example are glow signs of CFLs. So glow signs of CFL is a state of matter, that is plasma, whereby gases begins to emit light when highly charged particles ionize them. A Bose-Einstein condensate is a state of matter. A dilute gas of low density is called Bose, that is called the boson, cooled to temperature very close to absolute zero. Now this classification indicates about the matter, that is solid, liquids and gas. These questions of test your understanding you will find in the notes. Students, remaining portion of this chapter we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you everyone.